Hi guys, today I'm gonna cook Ramzan special, Italian in Ramzan. So you're gonna watch my video till the end and subscribe to my channel. Please let's check out our ingredient for today. So we have onions, we have half a kg of mutton, lamb. You can use chicken or any sort of keema. So we have chilies, we have coriander leaves, we have tomato, we have ginger garlic paste. We're gonna use tadka of Italian today. So we have rosemary, we have oregano, we have Tabasco, we have thyme. So we're gonna mix everything together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take onions in our mutton and this. Love spicy, so we have chopped chilies finely, and we're gonna mix with coriander and tomatoes, all ginger garlic paste a little bit, and mix it well. So this is really getting too much, so we're gonna take it to this part and mix it well, and then add it in the end. So yeah, next comes our rosemary, lots of rosemary, and thyme, my favorite. Yo, the food looks really yum. You definitely have to try this at home. And please do give me a feedback of this and subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Thank you for watching. And cheers. Have a wonderful Ramzan ahead.